Here's part of the rebuild of the JS440 motor. So I got to scrape off all these gaskets, clean up all these cases, and then I just put new end bearings and speedy sleeves on the crankshaft. So I should be ready to put this baby back together today. I might do some mild porting as well, just for fun. So let's get all that stuff done. Both sides of the cases are all cleaned up. The crank is all cleaned up. Got our two retaining washers here. Cylinders are done. So I'm gonna get this crank put in here. We're gonna get all these bearings nice and lubed up, and then we're gonna put the crank seals in. We'll get the bottom end together. Our crank situated. Got our crank seals and gaskets here. We've got a 1.5 lip seal, which is where there's one spring. The spring goes outwards on the flywheel side. Another 1.5 lip single spring, which goes on this side. And then we've got this double lip, and then the shiny side goes that way. And you pack everything in here with grease. You pack all the lips with grease, and then you go a thin layer of 1211 on the outside just to hold it in. The case is good. I've already made sure that everything in here is super clean, super dry. All the holes are blown out and cleaned up. Everything got washed in the sink, so it's ready to go back together. It's overall not a super complicated process. Just first got to get our pistons on our connecting rods, and then we'll get our cylinders dropped down. So we've got our arrow. It's going to face the exhaust side, which is the side of the starter. We got our circlip already in there. That'll make things a lot easier. Some oil. We'll just get it started till right about there. Going to get our needle bearing all nice and lubricated in the hole too. So we want to make sure the ring's super nice and lubricated. The side with the cutouts go upwards. There we go. Whew, that was a good catch. Now we can install our circlip. There you go. Piston is on. Now we've got to get the other side. We got our base gasket on there. I forgot it the first time. All right, we got the cylinders on now. Next step here is to put the head on. Well, I put the head on, but I forgot to take a video. And I also forgot to film everything else. So I got the exhaust manifold on, the carburetor on, the stator cover, and everything else. But I just wanted to mention some of the torques. So the head, you want to torque to 18 foot-pounds. Or if you want to be a little safer, you can go to 20, because bolts are 30 years old. And the crankcase bolts, you can go to 18 or 20. And as long as you're close enough, it should be okay. Well guys, hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure you like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.